Happy little accidents can lead to remarkable discoveries. It's just like the chance discovery of penicillin, or the microwave, or the Rosetta Stone. I mean, if it wasn't for those soldiers stumbling upon the stone, we never would have unlocked the secrets of the Egyptian hieroglyphs. There's something about unexpected mishaps leading to quirky little discoveries. And that's exactly what happened when I was facing a looming Spanish translation deadline. I wondered if AI could make the task of translating and narrating our course library easier. With 11 labs, you can generate a pretty convincing English AI voice, but how about Spanish?
¿Es este el locutor deseado? Si no lo es, puedes mejorarlo aún más usando la configuración de voz.
And so after pasting my script and clicking generate, I soon realized that I had mistakenly used my own AI voice for the entire Spanish translation. Check out what that sounds like.
Si estás interesado en crear tu propia voz de IA, echa un vistazo a nuestro video aquí.
This AI can handle Spanish no problemo. If you have a YouTube video or any content that you've contemplated translating and narrating for a whole new audience, well, here's the time to do it. And if you'd like to pair that new voice with an AI avatar, you should check out this video here.